How to make candle string. If you're referring to making a candle wick, here's a simple method using a cotton string. Materials you'll need: cotton string or twine, unwaxed and preferably 100% cotton. Scissors, beeswax or soy wax, optional. Instructions: cut a piece of cotton string to the desired length for your candle wick. Make sure it is long enough to reach the bottom of your candle container with a little extra length. If you're using unwaxed cotton string, you can proceed to the next step. However, if you prefer a slightly sturdier wick or you're making a larger candle, you can coat the cotton string in beeswax or soy wax for added strength and stability. To coat the cotton string with wax, melt a small amount of beeswax or soy wax in a double boiler or a heat-resistant container placed in a pot of simmering water. Once the wax has melted, dip the cotton string into the wax, ensuring it is fully submerged. You can use a clothespin or tweezers to hold the string while dipping. Remove the string from the wax, allowing any excess wax to drip off. Be careful as the wax may be hot. Hang the coated string vertically or lay it on a sheet of wax paper or parchment paper to let it cool and harden. You can also gently roll the string between your fingers to distribute the wax evenly along its length. Once the wax has fully hardened, your candle wick is ready to use. Trim the wick to the desired length before placing it in your candle container. Note: it's important to consider the size and type of candle you're making to ensure the wick is suitable. Larger candles may require thicker wicks or multiple wicks, while smaller candles may need thinner wicks. Adjust the thickness and length of your wick accordingly. Remember to exercise caution when working with hot wax and open flames. Follow appropriate safety guidelines and instructions while making and using candles.